Hello students, welcome back in your English class. Today we are going to discuss about our chapter 5 articles. As you know about articles, the words a, an and the are known as articles. You all know about these words. Today again we will discuss about these words, some rules related to use of these words. Let's see. First, we will see the definition. The words a, an and the are known as articles. As we know, these words are called articles. Articles are determiners and point out the noun. It means ये किसी noun को point out करते हैं या उसे determine करते हैं, निश्चित करते हैं. They are always placed before a noun. Dear students, it is very important that the word a, an and the are always used before a noun. Before a noun. They are always placed before a noun. There are three articles in English, a, an and the. And these are classified into two categories, indefinite article and definite article. Indefinite meaning अनिश्चित. A and N are included into indefinite article used with singular common nouns. These are used, A and N. These two words are used with singular common and countable noun. जो countable और common nouns होती हैं उनसे पहले हम A और N का यूज करते हैं. And definite noun is the with specific and unique things. It is used before specific and unique things. इन्हें जो the होता है इसका यूज specific और unique things के पहले किया जाता है. So I hope you have understand till here. Now use of n. As we know, n meaning होता है एक. n का meaning होता है एक. N is used before common, it means सामान्य, countable, it means जिन्हें गिना जा सके, nouns beginning with a vowel sound, it means N का use common countable nouns के पहले किया जाता है जो कि vowel sound से start होती हैं. कौन से sound से? Vowel sound से, like A, E, I, O and U. The words that starts with a vowel sound, before that nouns we will use N, like an engine. Here the spelling starts with engine. The sound is E. An egg. Here the sound is A. That is a vowel sound. An elephant. An umbrella. Here the word is U and the sound is A. Umbrella. An apple. Sound is A. An inkpot. Sound is E. So we have to see the sound. This is very important because only seeing these letters we can't use n. केवल इन letters को देखकर कि spelling अ से शुरू हो रही है, ई से शुरू हो रही है, आई से स्टार्ट हो रही है, हम किसी भी वर्ड के पहले n नहीं पुट कर सकते. वी हैव टू सी द साउंड. हमें साउंड देखनी होगी कि जो साउंड है वो किसकी आनी चाहिए? वॉवल. जो हिंदी वाले स्वर हैं उनकी आनी चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, N is used before mute H. कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे होते हैं जिनमें जो H होता है वो म्यूट होता है. Before these words we will use N. For example, honest. So the H is silent here. An honest boy. R, not har. R. It means sound is A. We will put here N. Next use of N. N is used before individual letters spoken with a vowel sound. कुछ ऐसे letters भी होते हैं जो कि vowel की sound के साथ में बोले जाते हैं. For example, MBA. Here the letter is M but the sound is A. M. A. The starting sound is A. So before it we put here N. MP. Member of Parliament. Before M we put here N. LLB. The sound is L is A. L. A. जो हिंदी वाले स्वर होते हैं उनकी ए की साउंड आती है. सो वी पुट हियर एन. M A, again M A, so N, we put here N. Now let's see the use of a. A is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. It means जो word की beginning है वो अगर consonant sound से है तो हम किसका use करेंगे? A का use करेंगे. As we can see, bag, the sound of B is a consonant sound, so we put here a. A clip, a cat, a pencil. Next, with an expression of quantity. जो quantity होती हैं जिन्हें हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते, जिन्हें हम ओनली मेजर करते हैं, लाइक अ डजन बनानाज, अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम वी कैन मेजर बट वी कांट काउंट. सो बिफोर द expression of quantity we use a. Before a word beginning with a vowel with a consonant sound. It is very important and you have to remember it carefully that the beginning with vowel means जो word की starting है, शुरुआत है, वो तो किसी vowel से होगी but उसकी जो sound होगी वो consonant sound होगी. Like a uniform, the sound of U. As we can see that U is a vowel, but the sound of U is y here. So we put here a, not N. Unicorn, again the sound of U is y. So we put here a. A 1 rupees note. As we can see that the word 1 starts with vowel O, but the sound of O is v, not a, e, I, not. So we put here a one-way road. These are the some examples of words begin with a vowel but the sound is consonant. With certain numbers, कुछ ऐसे numbers भी होते हैं certain जिनसे पहले हम a का use करते हैं, like 1,000 rupees, 100 miles, etc. These type of numbers we will use a before these numbers. Next rule related to use of a. In exclamation before nouns, जो exclamatory sentence होते हैं उनमें भी noun से पहले हम a का use करते हैं. For example, what a beautiful girl, what a beautiful painting. Before noun we use a. These are the use of a and n. Now let's discuss the exercise related to use of a or n. Write a, an and the before the given words. As I told you, the rules of use a and n, we have to mention here a, an or the. As we know that sun is specific, so before sun we put here the. Tiger, the word starts with a consonant sound, so we put here a. European, the sound of E is y, so we put here a. Egg, the sound and the first letter is a vowel, so we put here N. Boat, the first letter is consonant and the sound is also consonant, we put here a. Red Fort, as we know Red Fort is a specific building, so we put the before Red Fort. A doctor, the east, before the name of directions we put the. Boy, a boy, letter, a letter. An orange, an engine. This is the superlative degree, so before greatest we put the. When I told you the rules of using the, I will tell you about superlative degree. A cake, the toughest. Now let's see the next exercise. Rewrite the sentence using articles where necessary. It means you have to mention articles where necessary. Tapan is intelligent boy. As we know that before noun we have to put an article, and intelligent, it means this is a vowel sound, so before intelligent we put here N. Tapan is an intelligent boy. Rahim plays piano. As we know that and as I told you that before common countable nouns we put a, an or the if these are singular. Here piano is singular, so we put here a. Rahim plays a piano. The sun rises in the east. Please give me a sheet of paper. We have only a little money. As I told you that some quantities we put as I told you, we have only little money, we have only a little money. सर्टेन जो मनी सॉरी कुछ जो नंबर्स होते हैं, जो कुछ क्वांटिटीज होती हैं, उनसे पहले भी हम अ का यूज करते हैं. He is a brave person. Brave person, as we know, this is common and countable noun. So before it we put a brave person. The more one has, the more one wants. I saw a girl. Girl is countable noun and singular. As we can see, girl, not there, here is not girls or boys, so we put before these words a. I saw a girl and a boy on an elephant. कि मैंने एक लड़के और एक लड़की को एक एलिफेंट पर बैठे हुए देखा. Through window, the rays of the sun touched my feet. Suddenly, I heard an uproar. As we can see, uproar is a vowel sound. Uproar in the street. So, dear students, you have to do these exercise C and D in your book. And if you have already written the rules of A and N, you need not to write again. You have to just watch the video and fill exercise C and D in your book. I hope you get it. Thank you and have a nice day.